Stop building logic with this switch. It's a scalability killer. I'm Alex, senior Java dev. Let's refactor this mess into a clean, decoupled design. Exposing domain models in your API? That's a massive architectural leak. And this switch statement? It's a maintenance nightmare that kills scalability. Rectangle mapping is done. We convert the DTO and trigger the logic. Square pattern is identical. We convert the DTO and trigger the logic. But circle? It's still leaking domain details. Time to kill it. Stop wasting time on boilerplate. Use a Java record for instant immutability. Meet our Circle DTO, a lean, modern data carrier for the API layer. One single field and our DTO is production ready. Senior efficiency. Copy the square logic and pivot to circle. Swap the return type and the DTO. Keep the structure, change the context. Refactor the variable names in all three places, fast and consistent. Update site to radius everywhere, even in your error messages. Precision is key. Return the new instance, fast, clean, a zero boilerplate. Time for the final kill. We replace the legacy service with our new circle converter. Update the endpoint to accept a DTO. No more domain leaking into the controller. One clean mapping, one calculation. Our architecture is finally unified. What is helpful? Drop a like and subscribe for more senior Java insights.